Affiliate marketing, the proven method to make money on the internet. Perhaps there's no other genre in the history of the world that has the entrepreneurial appeal of the internet. With so many millions of people logged on at any given time, there are literally trillions of dollars exchanged via the internet on a daily basis. Being a successful affiliate marketer can ensure your slice of the pie, and these tips can help you grab a big piece. Make sure you understand what you are getting into before you make a site. There usually isn't a big commitment when it comes to affiliate marketing, but make sure you always read all fine print. You want to make sure you know the expectations of your affiliates with you and whether or not you can meet those expectations before you proceed. Before entering an affiliate marketing arrangement, you should test drive your would-be affiliate's product if at all possible. Being familiar with your advertiser's products will enable you to answer any questions that might come from the visitors you send to your affiliates' sites. Also, having first-hand experience will help you evaluate the true value that your affiliates are providing to your customers. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Becoming a successful marketer isn't something that happens overnight, and it's certainly not something that happens without a lot of effort. These tips are enough to give you a basic idea of how the genre works, but you still need more. Use these tips to build up your foundation in affiliate marketing, but never be afraid to branch out. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.